Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in an Audi RS4 and next to me is an Audi RS7. That car costs £97,000, whereas this one is £65,000. So is that more expensive car worth the extra cash in terms of the performance it gives you? You see, that has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 600 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque, but it is quite heavy. It weighs 2,065 kilos. It has an 8-speed automatic gearbox, launch control, and quattro all-wheel drive. This has a 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. So it is down on the performance figures, but will that matter? It's lighter, you see, 1,750 kilos. It has an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control as well and quattro all-wheel drive. So we're going to have a drag race and find out. Now before we do you like my t-shirt? Look at that, life's a drag. Now if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can buy one of these through our merch store. So go check that out and the other designs that we've got there. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And if you fancy following me on Instagram, it's @MattWatsonCars. Alright? Okay, right, let's get on with this race. Now before we get on with the race, let's do a quick sound check, shall we? So what does this V6 sound like? Got it in sports mode. Loud exhaust. A soft limiter. Classic Audi. Maybe it sounds alright on the outside. Okay, RS7, rev your engine, let's hear what yours sounds like. Have you got a soft limiter in there?
Situation, it stops at 4,000 revs.
Why do they do that? Do you know why they do that?
People like you messing around in the car.
That's a good point. Hooligans. Speaking of hooligans, we better warm up our tyres, hadn't we? It's an Audi. They're not meant to slide, but I've got the stability off. Let's give it a go, see what happens. Oh, close to the RS7. It seems to be trying to stop it sliding, but there we go. Got some smoke off it, but it's not great. Have a go doing the same, RS7. Go on, warm up your tyres. You did a good job with that. Let me know if you thought that skid was better than mine. I think you might have been. Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, let's get on with this race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this shoots off the line. Bye, RS7. And however much more your cost, was that 30 grand? Hey RS7, how was your launch?
Why is that so slow?
Did it not launch very well?
Straight off the line. But it's whether the revs are up, but it picks straight up, but it's just weird yours is so quick. The horsepower difference is huge.
Yeah, this is feeling like what it normally does. I think you might have had a bad launch. Shall we give you another go?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, neck and neck off the line. Come on, RS4, come on! Oh, wow! Now this is pulling it back. What just happened? So then RS7, what happened to your launch then? It seemed okay, but then this was just crept ahead and stayed ahead.
Yeah, it's a slightly larger car obviously as well. There's a power difference, but could be the grip of the track, could be anything really.
Do you want another go?
I'll give it another go.
Let's give him another go. I'm just so quick at timing the launches. The only person that can really beat me with reaction time is Yanni. Now he'll say that he can always beat me. It's not true.
3, 2, 1.
Oh God, he nailed it that time. Oh no, come on, RS4. I know he's increasing his lead. Practice makes perfect. That's the result we should have had. All you Audi RS7 owners, they're going, oh my God, I should have just bought an RS4. But no, it's all about that reaction time. You got it that time. Bravo, that is quicker, thank God.
So then what exactly happened? Well, finally the RS7 had a good start and managed to actually win, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. The RS4 meanwhile took 12.1 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars are in comfort mode, automatic mode of the gearboxes. I'm going to count it in. Get level, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that kicked down better. Oh, well, bugger it. I'm getting well and truly thrashed. The difference is way more noticeable now. And yeah, that's enough. RS7. You can slow down, no need to show off. Come on, drop back. If we were on the Autobahn, you'll definitely get into your destination slightly quicker, unless of course you're having to stop more for fuel, eh?
Yeah, I'd have to check the size of the tank on that, but yes, I think I'd win that race.
So what was kickdown like? Was it all right? It seemed to just shoot off. Was that just in normal light drive?
D5 now, I'm cruising along.
Okay, no cheating, no like sports gear or anything like that, because that just seemed to, it's the same gearbox, but it just seemed to kick down better.
No S showing on my dashboard, you're quite happy with that?
Yeah, I trust him. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race again, but this time with the cars in sports mode and the gearbox in manual. So we're at third gear, cruising at 50. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! That picks up really well. I like the fact I've got change up lights, so I don't cock up the gear change, but oh my God. The difference isn't quite so big this time because the kickdown effect didn't come into it, but now the increasing power and torque of that just does the job. All right, I think I'm doing 160. We can slow down now. Let's slow down. I'm doing 165. That's enough. How fast were you going then, RS7?
I was just nudging 170.
So that's got the de-restricted pack on it or whatever, hasn't it?
It makes it quite rapid.
What is the top speed when you delimit it?
It would be above 170. Close enough.
Very, very clever answer. Right, so it definitely does above 170 if you de-restrict it. Can't give you the exact number. If you guys know what that number is, please let us know in the comments below and we'll vote that up so that other people can see it, because we don't know right now, but it is above 170 apparently. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit that line, we're going to do a full emergency stop. See what distance it takes both these cars to stop. That's heavier, this is lighter. That's actually on carbon ceramics, might make a difference. Let's find out. Here comes the line. Here we go. Here's the line. Left foot brake, man. Left foot brake. Okay, so the RS7 definitely won, but I think you may have been a bit premature on your brake pedal.
You don't like losing then? Did you want to do it again?
Well, that's rich. I gave you 2 shots in the drag race. I gave you 3 shots in the drag race, and it was third time lucky. So I think you might have just braked a little bit early, because surely the distance can't be that much between them. Let's try it again, just to be sure. Come on, let's do it again. Carwow science. Got to get it right. Right, now we're going to have another brake test from 70 miles an hour. Come into the line now. Come on, here we go. I think I did even worse that time. No excuses. Maybe bigger tyres, slower reactions from me, because I'm getting old now. I don't know. The RS7 definitely won that. Guys, listen, have a look at the action replay. Make sure that he didn't brake early. Let us know what you think in the comments. I'll be checking out to see if he did. Well, it looks like it's 3 straight wins to the RS7, which is kind of what you'd expect anyway, considering it is more expensive. But do you think the difference in performance and how better it performed than this RS4 is worth the extra £30,000? Let me know in the comments below. Actually, if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can check out an amazing deal on one of these cars. I'm not going to tell you which one it is, which does alter the price difference a little bit, so it could influence your decision. So make sure you check that out to see what amazing offer we have on one of these cars through Carwow. Don't forget to check out our merchandise as well. Yeah, life is a drag. Well, it is for me anyway, certainly today. And hook us up on Instagram at carwow. All right, go check us there, and don't forget as ever to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Thanks for watching. Sorry. That's got to go at the end.